dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Mainstream stream media, where we say what make I even call the name AIT, they give wrong information. And that wrong information come for their tweet, and that one na false news. And waiting then talk for there, then they talk say judge order P2B legal team to go home for court. That thing they very wrong. Now people they watch them, I don't know how they take feel when they give this kind of wrong information. We get other media outlets, even mainstream media again, where they give wrong information. Say they tell they no admit evidence in court, and they again say they then talk say P2B legal team they constitute nuisance for court, and they delay court processes. My people, you know say here where we dey, we go tell on our truth how the thing take be. We have the Labour Party lawyer announcing their arrival and what they are presenting in court. Can our producer please project that so that our people, yeah. So our people, as we don't start this display of what happened in court today, please do like, share and subscribe. Now, as soon as he say, for other people will be say they never get notification. Now that one a job of YouTube now as we dey here to as many people will like this very content, then go they push them. So when them push them, they will give those people notification and then go join us. So if you dey here now, you dey watch us live, I beg, make you for like the video. That very one are your contribution to P2B and the obedient movement. Make everybody know as it take happen for court today. Make they know they focus for that fake news where they for the mainstream media, where we say them just they talk like lie. So we get our people in court today. LP started, that Labour Party lawyer said, started by, we are ready to continue with further tendering of documents. We filed a schedule comprising the documents we intended to tender this morning. Shall we proceed, my lord? That one na court now, then they tell whether make them start. And then the court said, yes, you have up till 1 p.m. So now so court come talk, and it is okay, yes, Peter from Basan. Okay, court say make them carry go. Now, before we continue with other states, that is the LP, we crave your permission to tender to other states that were not finished yesterday. That is Niger State and Rivers State. We tag them as supplementary documents in respect to Rivers. We have INEC CTC of Form EC 8As of 6 local government areas. These are, then make we show the names of those local governments. Boni local government, Eleme, Abua Odwa, Okreka, Ahoada East, Oyibo. We respectfully seek to tender them in evidence. So that one, the one where we say remain that yesterday, then talk to them for complete time. Court can ask them whether any objection. On a go hear them. On a go see them for screen now. That thing where they vex me with INEC, then can't object. But as I tell talk, make I for leave them, make we they go waiting what they do. Then talk say we will be objecting to the admissibility of these documents. Arguments in this respect were taken on the 30th of May. Issues were not joined in these local governments, and we will be advancing our grounds in final address. They are strange to the petition. make it there on a strange. For we wait there here, no they all strange. No, na go certify documents, and I come the talk say there on a strange. Anyway, make I no abuse anybody for inside here now. So court come talk say, you said you will mention it in the final address. Well, the court rules you don't argue. So court come overrule them, say make them no argue, make them go put them for that their final address. So INEC people can say, sorry my lord, it is because news were being made in the media. Yes, we dey make that news for media. We will go talk calm. We will go talk calm. Una no supposed to they argue or they oppose wetin no concern una. When una give us documents, una begin they oppose them. So INEC then come talk say then they sorry. Okay, court accept the sorry. Me where they here no accept the sorry. So even the court cut them short myself. So then come talk say, yes, who is next? Because they don't even begin to invest the judge. So it can't reach Shetima and Tinubu's lawyer. Then talk say we oppose and we advance in final address. And then come he reach APC turn. Then talk say we object and we will admissibility and we articulate our argument in final address. For me, make them not even know the talk myself because then they waste our time. So court contained and say, okay, the bundles of from EC8As of the local governments are hereby admitted and tagged exhibit PD16 to PD21 respectively. Then Labour Party lawyers can say, thank you, my lords. We also seek to tender from EC8A document in respect of Bida local government of Niger State. Court context say, any opposition, the first person will go jump off for court na INEC. See, I'm there. Make una they look the screen. We oppose and we advance our arguments in the final address. Everywhere then go they oppose. When I talk, I go talk say make I allow them. No problem. Okay. Tinubu and Shetima then talk say we oppose and we advance reason in our address. APC get up also say we similarly oppose the admissibility of these documents and we advance our arguments at the address stage. Court contacts, okay, the bundle of CTC documents in respect to Bida local government area of Niger are hereby admitted in evidence and tagged as evidence. Una see am, you know even one, the court no one made them waste their time. Even as he take talk, I say na CTC documents. He call them out CTC. It's certified from INEC. I go come they oppose wetin you give people. Which kind thing be that one? Anyway, LP lawyer come talk say we now respectfully seek to tender CTCs in respect of 21 local governments of Adamawa State. Make una keep this thing for stage. Make people read the whole local governments where they for Adamawa where then they tender. So make I no begin they call them out again. Dr. Etel, I know say verse for my this thing, but I want you know say this one now the 9th this thing before we proceed to the next one. I want make our show our people where they watch now. This waiting be EC8A forms where we they talk. Now that form will be say when they finish voting, everybody go sign, then go stamp. I beg make you display them for screen before we continue. Make people will not understand why I they even verse know what we they talk. Una see am. Now those one will be say then cancel inside there. So people be where our legal team people get the ones where they get cancel where their stamp still there, and we get the ones where we say cancellations no there inside. You see, so even the ones where we say their blood and all of those things, we get them. Now it be these forms where we the tender, then they oppose them. Maybe then get the form, now LP form. You see. If you get another one, show again. Where we say they clear, because we don't they show this to make people for understand. Say these EC8A forms. Now those forms where would they come up from IREV, agents get their own, police even get their own. But most importantly, now INEC they certify these documents, say na their own, and then they will come out for court. Then go begin the oppose say make them no tender the documents. So now these documents, if I don't see and finish. Make we for continue waiting they happen for court. Okay, Dr. Ete, one talk before we go back. Yes.
Us here today. We never see the process where they say person with thief. Everybody knows an thief. the day when he appear for court, the first question they will ask is, guilty or not guilty? The person will say, not guilty. Because if he say guilty, they will just say, boom, sentenced. The person will say, not guilty. And that is why his own lawyer will begin to come and talk all the story. We go make him not guilty. But the evidence will prove that he's guilty. They will sentence him, they'll put him in prison. What INEC, APC, and co are doing is exactly what the lawyer of a criminal will do when they come to the court, when they say guilty or not guilty. But I am glad because what the level, the certified true copy of the EC8A form, all those manipulated ones that are on the IREF, that INEC certified, they also have the one from their agents, which they staple together to show the real result versus the manipulated result. That is why INEC is running like somebody where they say they inject poison for their body. So it is important that we know why they are objecting is because they have shot themselves in the leg, because they can't defend what they certified. And we have a proof to show that what they certified is a lie. Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Ete, thank you for that one. Make we go back to the court for the banner. What happened for court? And I know say PO and that they and then they there the witness waiting they happen. So for this very one where would they enter? INEC then object. I go just they make these their objections where they verse me. Make they make them they short. But if they look for screen and I go to see how they take react. So INEC object again. So Tinubu and Shettima will be second and third respondent, they object again. And then fourth respondent will be APC, they object again. So as he there for screen on the CM. So make we move to the next talk where happen for court. So nine court come talk say bundles of documents in respect of Form EC8As from Adamawa are hereby admitted as evidence and tagged exhibit PH1, PH21 respectively. This PH anyway, make I never even talk for this exhibit numbers. That one really no matter. Then the LP lawyer say, may I now respectfully move to Bayelsa State. Na court they talk to now. We seek to tender CTCs of Form EC8As in respect of 8 local governments in Bayelsa. Set schedule of documents. They are Southern Ijo, Nembe, Sabama, Yenogua, Ekeremo, Kolokuma, Brass, and Ogwea. And if anyone when I mistake for the how I take pronounce them, make on a no verse because I know say Bayelsa people then follow me for a year before I go for comment section go finish me. I not go even call the thing again myself. Make on I read them for there. So now in court the justice where they there say since there is no Northern Ijo, my learned brothers here are suggesting I come from there. Anyway, so it be like say the judge they talk say Northern Ijo no dey there. LP lawyer come talk say after all my learned senior here is Awa. Sounds like Hawakalo. Therefore is from Adamawa. Well, I think waiting then they talk for there, then they talk to themselves. The judge be like say don't they enjoy the LP lawyers this thing. So as everybody can laugh for inside court. So when I see say our people they entertain court. So no be only say aside from these people where they put asunder, our lawyers come but they know how to entertain the judges, may they no verse with us. INEC people then just get up for their talk say then oppose. When I see them for screen. I beg next make we see the next banner. So for this transcript, the second and third respondent will be Tinubu and Shettima, then still oppose. The fourth respondent will be APC, then also oppose. Nine court come give their own decision. All documents for Bayelsa State is admitted and marked. Next one, make we dey go. So here now, LP move again, the lawyer for Labour Party. Next is Oyo State at pages 18 to 28 of our schedule. Before I apply to tender the documents in respect to this, may I draw your lordship attention to a repetition. We seek to delete number 31 from our schedule. So it means say, it be like say one mistake there for there, then they take permission to delete that very place. Now normal thing where they happen. We hereby apply to tender in evidence of 31 local governments in Oyo State. Next. So here now, make I no begin the column again. Make I no come make a mistake on mother language for your people. So make una look am for screen as e take be now. Make una check whether I get any local government where the other doctor tell her they hear you. What you talk?
I want to chip in is we need to also ask ourselves, what is it that all this EC884A form is trying to achieve? It's trying to achieve one of these three options. The Labour Party is trying to establish, number one, that their votes were transferred to APC in some cases. Or number two, with this evidence they are submitting here, they are also trying to prove that number two, that their votes were suppressed. That is, the actual number was not announced. For instance, they got 500 and it was reduced to 50, and APC got 120, and they allowed it to be like that, giving APC 120 and the Labour Party 50, instead of APC 120 and Labour Party 500, which means the vote had been suppressed. Thirdly, they are also trying to announce, to prove that the overall result that was announced was not exactly what is in EC8A form. For instance, Labour Party got 1,000 and PDP and APC got, say, 200. And they decided to come and announce something in the bracket of about any other number they feel like announcing. So this document will prove it, because this EC8A form is what happened in the polling, at the polling unit level. They're also going to use this EC8A form to show that INEC committed fraud by using either TPEX or pen to cancel an existing result and rewriting it to give another result and uploading it, which is a punishable offense in our constitution. So what I'm trying to say in effect is this. People might say, oh, there is no time. By the time they drop all these things for all the states, you can imagine if Labour Party were able to prove with Lagos State that indeed Labour Party got 900,000 and they were giving 400,000. It means that automatically 400,000 votes will be returned to them and APC will be dropped to about 100,000. If APC drops to 100,000 in Lagos State and Labour Party goes to 900,000, two things would have happened. Number one is that APC did not win Lagos, one, and APC did not even get 25% in Lagos. So their spread is dropping, and the number of votes of Labour Party is going up. That is why INEC is jittery. That is why APC is jittery. I just wanted to point this out while we go on. Thank you.
From the last banner where we show now, we say they don't conclude with that Oyo stage, and the thing where they for screen now they move to Edo State. So, and they say they are tendering EC8A forms in respect to 18 local governments of Edo State. So, and the names are all in your screen now. When, if they see them now, make una see all the whole local government to see whether anyone no dey. Make una put for comment section. And then court can ask them whether there is any opposition. Of course, una know say INEC go be the one wey go first shout. I no talk am, make una see am for screen. Now be the first people wey stand up talk say them oppose. So my people, as we dey now, as you dey look the screen now, because even as we finish this one of Edo, they admit them. But I want beg on as we dey, make we like this very video. As you na dey, they watch us now. Maybe you na don't forget. Some people don't forget because we get like 2K people where they watch this video now, but the like never even reach the same. So I dey beg on make on for like am so that other people will be say never get notification go get. No be say then the any other thing. And also I want to use the opportunity to appreciate people will be say then yesterday I see what thing they call that in super thanks. Super thanks, Abi. Super thanks. So now super thanks I won't give our people because as we dey, I know say as we dey do show, some people they give us super thanks. So our people agree to now. For the people who say they get the money to do us super thanks. But if you no get, make you no worry. Now God go still bless you. Say you they give us thumbs up. Say you they like him. God go bless you. He go bless your family, and you are among the people where we say Nigeria go recognize as one of the people where we say they help to move to a better Nigeria as it take be. So back to the screen. I talk this one make way for no say we don't conclude for waiting there for screen. So court don't give the order, say bundles of documents for Form EC8As of 18 local governments in Edo states are hereby admitted as evidence and are hereby marked. So it means say Edo states court don't collect that one. Once they admit evidence, now be say they don't collect them. They know say na to come to begin the talk as the things begin to go on. So LP lawyer stand up again, say, my lords, we wish to proceed to Lagos State on page 34 to 44 of our schedule. In respect to 20 local government areas, we wish to tender Form EC8As in these areas as evidence. Then come name am Apapa. One justice asks as if he did not hear, what is the name of the first local government area? When I see I'm not justice, that is one of the lawyer, one of the judge where they there. Come ask as if he did not hear what this. Come ask this question. Counsel come repeat. That is LP counsel come repeat and say Apapa. Court laughs. So it is. It reminds the little brother of something. Everybody for court come laugh. So anyway, I like as our people they entertain the justices and make them also entertain us when they won't give us this judgment. So as we they talk, I mean they sweet them, make it for sweet us when we go hear their judgment. Now I be my own. So as when they look the screen now the local governments where we carry come, you know say Lagos pass these local governments, but now the one where we say INEC don't certify, or now the one where we say our legal team thinks say then they affected. Now those ones then bring come. Make them for no okay, because if when I look at all these places. Now the places where we say we know say now heavy bundle of votes na MPO our His Excellency suppose get for those places. But in as much as we win for Lagos State, we know say plenty votes then divide go give themselves. Court come talk say any opposition, me I know say INEC go jump up. I know talk am make una see the screen. Now I be the first people where say we indicate our objection. Inadmissibility of documents sought to be tendered from Lagos. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I wanted these people. May I leave this one, make them they see these objections where they here. Dr. Etel, you get what you want to add before I continue?
Yeah. All I want to add is very simple. Whether we like it or not, a lawyer is entitled to raise objection. Because if he does not open his mouth, it means he accepted whatever the opposing lawyer is submitting, hook, line, and sinker. And if
but now their document now, you know they understand where they come. Now their document, why you go oppose your own document?
It does not matter, even though it is their own document. If they just keep quiet like that, it means that by the time Labour Party is done tendering, the judges will just hit the gavel and give them the judgment. But they want to stay there to see whether there is another technical loophole. And the only thing that can give them that room to find the loophole technically is first of all objecting. Because when they object, it gives them room to come and bring any jargon they want to use there. But another thing that is important to us is this. We are very, very, very happy with what the legal team is doing. I saw what one of the mainstream media said, that the court was angry with Labour Party because they were disorganized, and I laughed at this. I laughed at this mainstream media that cannot even do investigation. They are themselves media houses in Nigeria, and it is a shame. And thank God for what we are doing here. When you say those who are doing thank you, supporting us, even if they cannot, I want to encourage you people to keep supporting. Why I say I want to encourage is because as soon as this program is on now, generator is running to carry this thing live. And that generator, we are buying the new regime fuel to be able to run that generator. And now those little things want to carry the support, now they help. Please. Also, when you subscribe, share with your friends. Because when you share with your friends, then go hear what thing they happen. And click on that notification button so that you will know when next we are coming live. All these things will help all of us keep abreast with information. Your little support can buy us 1 liter. Your little support can buy us internet. Your little support can pay the salary of the staff who are helping to do the research. So I just want to thank you people for supporting and encourage you to keep doing more. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.